In today's video, I'll show you how to design a stunning food poster using Canva in just a few minutes. Whether you're promoting a restaurant special, a food event, or just practicing your design skills, Canva makes it simple. Start by heading to Canva and typing food poster in the search bar. Browse through the templates and pick one that fits your theme or vibe. Click Customize this template to open the editor and start personalizing your poster. Adjust the colors, layout, and images to match your style. Replace placeholder images with your own, or upload new ones. Double-click any text box to add your dish name, tagline, or important details like date and location. Make sure your text is clear and readable. Experiment with fonts and sizes to make your message pop. Canva gives you plenty of options to either highlight your text or let it blend smoothly with your design. Once you're happy with the look, review your poster, download it, and share it online or in print, and that's it. With Canva, creating eye-catching food posters is fast, easy, and fun. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.